Hello and welcome to Architect's Guide to Salesforce Agentforce. In today's episode, we are diving into a hands-on use case connecting an Agentforce agent with Salesforce Knowledge so it can respond to customers' questions using knowledge articles. We will go step by step through the setup, so grab your coffee, open your Salesforce org, and follow along. To achieve this, we'll go through 3 simple steps. Firstly, we will create an Agentforce service user. We will set up an Agentforce user and assign the appropriate permission sets with field and object permissions. Secondly, we will enable Lightning Knowledge, then create a footwear return policy FAQ guide as a knowledge article. And last but not least, we will build an Agentforce agent and configure it with the Agentforce data library, ADL, to retrieve, index, and access Salesforce Knowledge as a data source. So without further ado, let's jump into the configuration. Start by creating a dedicated Agentforce Service Agent user. Head to Setup, Users, New, and give it a name. In my case, let me open the existing Agentforce Service Agent user, which I've already created. Set the licenses to Einstein Agent and the profiles to Einstein Agent user. This account will serve as the identity your agent user uses in interaction with Salesforce data. Next, let's make sure the right permissions are in place. Let's go to Setup, Permission Sets, and open the standard Agentforce Service Agent user. And under the Data Cloud Space Management, set the value to default. This allows the agent to connect with the underlying data cloud environment. Alright, now we will give our agent access to knowledge articles. Let's create a new permission set called Knowledge FAQ Access. Under App Permissions, enable Allow with Knowledge. Then under Object Settings, let's give the right permissions for the Knowledge KAV object. Under this object, let's grant Read, View All Records, and View All Field Records permission. This ensures our agent can read and retrieve published articles. Next, let's assign these permission sets to our agent user. Let's go back to our agent user. Under Permission Set Assignments, let's assign these 3 permission sets: Agentforce Service Agent user, Data Cloud user, and the newly created Knowledge FAQ access. These combined permissions will give your agent everything it needs to operate securely and effectively. Now it's time to enable knowledge itself. Let's go to Setup. Under Knowledge Settings, let's enable Lightning Knowledge. Then let's create a simple article. So I've already created an article called Footwear Return Policy FAQ. Let's open that. So basically, once you create a knowledge article, you will add a summary, a detail, and assign it to the right channels and publish it. So assign it to all the channels as of now, and the article has been published. And this will serve as the source content for our AI agent to draw data from. Let's connect knowledge to the Agentforce framework. Let's create a new Agentforce data library. Let's go to Setup, Agentforce data library, and create a new library. For this example, let me open the existing knowledge article FAQ data library. Set the data source data type as knowledge and choose default as part of the data cloud data space. Next, choose title and summary as the identifying fields and define details as your content field. This indexing step is crucial. It helps the agent to understand and access information efficiently. Finally, let's bring our AI assistant to life. Let's create a new agent called Marhaba AI Agent. Let's provide the agent description and a clear role and assign the agent user which we have created earlier. Let's personalize the system messages to give your agent a friendly voice. Then we will add a topic as return and exchange policies. Provide a clear topic clarification description, a scope, and clear instructions. Set the topic action to standard answer questions with knowledge. And lastly, let's add our data library to our knowledge article FAQ, which we have already created. That's it. Your Agentforce agent is now powered by Salesforce Knowledge. Let's test it in the Agentforce conversation preview. Let me ask the agent, what is my footwear return policy? Based on our data library, it will understand the knowledge article and it will provide the return policy. Similarly, I will ask another question. What are the options of returning my shoes? And it will bring up all the 4 options where I can return the footwear.